Now, I would like to invite Kirutika ji, who is here from Tamil Nadu, and she is going to present her speech on Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji in English language.
Honorable members, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam, and a very warm good morning to one and all present here. Myself Kritika, a proud student of Atomic Energy Central School, Kudamkulam, Tamil Nadu. From the southernmost tip of our beloved Mother India, I feel privileged to talk about one of the greatest leaders of our country. In an age of struggle, he chose truth over fear, service over self, and character over power. In an era of conflict, he answered with clarity. In an era of fear, he responded with faith. Yes, that was Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. At a time when India was under colonial rule, many fought for the freedom of land, but Malviya ji fought for the freedom of Indian mind. He believed that political independence without intellectual and ethical strength would leave the nation hollow. He believed that ignorance was the greatest weapon against British, and education was the most powerful antidote. From this convention rose the Banaras Hindu University. Not merely a university, but a nation declaration that India would no longer beg for knowledge, but it would produce and disseminate it. He entered public life not for power, but for purity and idealism in politics. As a journalist, educationist, and parliamentarian, he spoke truth when silence was safer. At a time when women were confined to silence, Malviya ji spoke of education as their right, not a privilege. When doors of learning were shut to women, he did not wait for any social approval. He created new doors. He believed that educating women is not against tradition. It's the highest form of national service. He believed that free India would never be fully free without women's empowerment. Political freedom without women's empowerment, he believed, would remain incomplete and fragile. Honorable members, nations are not just built by warriors who fight battles, but by visionaries who train generations to think. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya was one such great architect of India. He did not shake empires with weapons. He dismantled them with his wisdom. In the life of Malviya, India finds not just a leader, but a moral compass, a guide, and an eternal inspiration. Jai Hind.